In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. To open this key fob, all you will need is a screwdriver. Your first step is to push the button and release the key. Once you have the key released, you'll want to take the screwdriver, insert it where the key belongs, and pop the key fob open. You may need to run it along the sides to get it to open all the way. Carefully open the key fob. Remove the items until you can find the battery. Once you've found the battery, you may want to use your screwdriver to help pop that battery out. To replace the battery in this key fob, you'll use a battery CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply snap the new battery back in. With this key fob, it is plus side down. Once you have the new battery back in, you can line the key fob back together. Snap it closed and replace the key. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.